What it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here, sis. Sir, miss, Mr. Miss. Yeah, so today I am doing a look. I'm filming this look. It's 10:53 at night. I just finished and I have to take my butt to work soon, but I had to give you the spill, you know? This makeup look defeat me first. I will insert a video of me trying to attempt this makeup look right here, and it was not working. I didn't want the ombre colors on the outer portion of the eye. I just wanted the black eyeline to go with the black and white hair. And that day it was giving me a hard time. I couldn't get it right. And then now, I done leveled up. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then let's just get right into this video. I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna put on my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil on the whole eyelid. Like, I was really upset that that defeated me, because that was the look I wanted to go with that hair, and it just didn't work out. And that day I was having such a hard time trying to get everything to look right. So now to do the wing line. I'm gonna just go to the middle right here. It's a little shaky. I did it. I didn't let it defeat me. Now to try to do the other eye. So now that I have that, I'm excited that I have that. I think I'm gonna fill in right here. So I'm gonna use the ZULU by Juvias Place. This orange right here, and this yellow. Then I'm gonna go into the other Juvias Place, which is the Warrior by Juvias Place, and go into that red right here. I'm gonna go back into my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Let me see if the Hit the Lights yellow is more vibrant, but that's more like lime green. Go back in with the eyeline. I know this is double work, but had to do it. I literally don't know how it messed up in that corner right there. As you seen in the previous clip, it was just fine, but I fixed it afterwards after I seen this video, and yeah, you get the gist. So that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up this video and comment down below your thoughts. Until next time, peace. I would like to get